to you. I'm like, what? Where did that come from? You. Subconscious messaging there, Brayden. Good morning. How are you? Well, good night to you, actually. What time is it for you? What time is it now? 2 a.m. Oh, thank you. Guys, I could not do the math. I was about to attempt it, and I was like, you know what? No. No, can't do. Not today. It's 9:11. Thank you. 20, yes. Yes, I need a Canadian to tell what time it is in Latvia. Yes, that is the case. 22 is the mega ball. Let's go. 500. What are the screens that I have in front of me? You know, thanks. But, yeah, I have no idea what time it is. None of them actually show. Especially when you're yelling in the mic. I'm always yelling in the mic. Okay. I'll try to tone it down in case anyone else finds an issue with that. It's a lot of emotion, okay? I am heavily sleep deprived. My own fault, right? Or was it yesterday? You played 2 sessions on Sunday and then tonight. Oh, okay. I haven't slept in 3 days. 4 hours of sleep for 3 nights in a row. Not good. 10x. But glad to hear you doing well. And 30. Let's go. Yesterday. Was it that long ago? Oh. Wow. Wait, what is today? Wednesday?
I'm really thinking about it.
That's cute. Saturday and Sunday. Well, technically yes. Well, for you. For me, it's like full on Wednesday. Man. I've had 1 coffee. I will need like 3 more to become functioning. And I have a long day ahead of me. Man. It's fine. I'll sleep tomorrow. What do you mean top slot? There's no top slot. There is the elevator. I would call this an elevator. 20x. And 33 as Mega Ball South. 475 winners. We've got Cutie, we've got Bada compliments on the lines. Thank you all for the game. And if you'd like to take part in the next round, betting time's open. To play, get yourself some cards and set a value. When it comes to cards, you can play with just 1 card. You can go with multiple cards. 400 is the max amount that you can go for per game. So there's packs if you want a lot. There's packs of 25, packs of 50, packs of 100. Say you want the max amount, 400 cards. Click 4 times on the pack of 100, and you're set. I do not want black coffee. No, I cannot do like pure black coffee. I need stuff to go with it. I need sugar. I need milk. A good latte, a macchiato, preferably like a caramel. Yeah, 5x. Give me sweet coffee. Give me all the treats. 6 is our next Mega Ball. 5. And betting time. What? Nescafe Creamy White? No, I'm more of a Dolce Gusto person, actually. We have a little Dolce Gusto machine with a capsule. Coffee capsules, oh, they're the best. They are absolutely the best. But I also appreciate my salted caramel macchiato. That's also good. Oh, you made $115. Good for you, Brayden. Oh, and then you did. Oh, you got some more before. Oh. Okay. Well, I'm about to do something similar, but in a different way. I'm making some extra cash today as well. 5x after work. We have 35. All right, 400. Final seconds of betting time. So make sure you are ready if your intention is to play like right now. And let's go. So that made me pay some of my insurance and a tank of gas, my bowling games, and some free lunch at the bar. Nice, really nice. That's some for me. Yeah, I'm really happy this summer because I've been getting so many commercials this summer. It's crazy. Like I did a commercial in June. I'm doing another commercial like later this month, and then another one in August. And then yesterday I got a call being like, "Hey, can you do another commercial like tomorrow?" So they're like, "Yes." So I'll be shooting a commercial today. Hence the hair. We've got 5X. I feel like an actress almost. You know. 11. Let's go. 505 winners. We've got Danielle, Easton, compliments on the line. Enjoy. And those who want to play in the next round, the tea time is open. Now I just need to figure out how to... But is there a turn down volume button on the mic? No. There really isn't. Maybe this one's just particularly sensitive. Or you have good, what are they called? Cool boxes? What are they called? Wait, are you listening on headphones or speakers? Speakers, right, that's... Sorry, maybe I'm just loud today and I'm completely unaware. I haven't slept in 3 days, okay? Brain function's low. I can barely put a sentence together. I have no control over what goes on. Oh, 15X, nice. 15X's and 220X's, that's right. And let's not forget that we started the session with a beautiful 50X. So as far as multipliers are concerned, you're doing pretty well. A few more seconds before the next round. You've turned the volume down to 25%. And I'm still loud. I guess that's just fate. I guess that's just how it's going to be today. I shall be loud. Welcome, Maria Clara. Mahal, Hello, welcome. Nice to have you all here. Hello, Nancy. Greetings, Monica. See you. By the way, you're also welcome to say hi back, you know. And let's go. Multiplier time.
3 lines.
What do we have here?
5X.
The 5X, okay.
21 lang.
And 32 plus a mega ball. So 459 winners in total. We got we've got Botoy, compliments on the lines. Thank you all for the game and study time. Also, if anyone else thinks that I am a little too loud, kind of let me know. I'll try to keep it more on the down low. I don't know why I'm so loud today. Maybe it's the mic. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's Maybelline. I have no clue. All I know is I haven't really slept. So if there's something I'm unaware of, yeah, I'll take your word for it. It might very well be the case. You know, gone are the days when I could, stay up all night and be functional. That's for high schoolers and people in their early 20s. Pulling an all-nighter and then going hard all day. Going to school and whatnot. Like, no. Doesn't work in your 30s. No. Really doesn't work. 15X, well that worked. Let's go, Mega Ball. 3. Oh, that's 486.
Hindi na 3 lines.
KK, Norman, I claim it was. Again, very similar to our previous session. Lots of purple, beautiful ratio, great frequency. But of course, to top it off, this session we also had someone with 5 lines, and we had a 50X. So, yeah, this session already is shaping up to be a bit more exciting than our last, and our last wasn't too shabby. So how is everyone doing? All good in the world? Life's good? Everyone's happy? Well, hopefully. It's a dream, isn't it? He's so close. 5x.
Nice, nice. 3 lines, 5x. Sus, 5x lang. 1 to 1 pa kay 1 times 10.
Napila na.
700 bro.
Time is open. You're welcome to, do your thing. Bets, shuffle, autoplay if you want. Once you set up autoplay, you're good to go for multiple rounds because the amount of cards you went with the first time round, the value that you put down, they just get copy pasted for.
Ay, soter, duha dong, og. Tarong, baby, tarong, baby. Sige, munti ka,
And so very matchy. 450 winners we've got.
oh, pag-ilis diha. Pagtuon. Pagtuon. Okay, bumuto mo ng kunti mo
Time
daron.
is yours. Those who are new, welcome. Greetings. Viewers, welcome back. If you've been here all along, well, how are you doing? How's life? How's everything? Have you had a good amount of sleep? How are you when you don't get enough sleep?
Kunti mo bun.
Do you get cranky? Are you just tired or are you kind of fun? I used to be that. A friend of mine that I went to school with, she loved when I was sleep deprived because she found me hilarious. Every time when I stayed up all night and then went to school, she would be like, yes! Because she knew she would be laughing for the rest of the day by me just being myself. The sleep deprived version of me. 12x, let's go for the next ball. 28, let's go. 461 winners. We've got Victor with 4 lines. Cheers. Cyclops P41, you 310. Compliments on the lines to you as well. Betting time is open. So those who'd like to take part in the next round, as always, you get the betting time right now. You can get yourself some cards, set a value. Those are the 2 things that need to be done, the 2 steps that you need to take to place your bet here, because you need to have some cards. Otherwise, how will you play? Where are you going to get the lines? How are you going to collect them if there's no cards with potential lines? And then, of course, those cards need to be worth something. Because if they do get lines, then there's the payouts, there's the different multipliers. The more lines you get, the bigger the payout, the bigger the multipliers. And if this has anything to say about it, 25x, yes. Speak no more.
Yes! Tay si Timil.
Okay. Really liking the multipliers. I hope you had some good multipliers as well. As I pointed out before, we had like a really intense run with the purples, the 15s, the 20x's. Now we just got the 25x, and we also got the 50x multiplier this session as well.
Just for one.
There is one more spectacular, the most spectacular multiplier we have not yet had the pleasure to have a run in.
Oh, we're doing it again.
It shows it's just like the number of the ball, which we're also yet to see today. Luckily, we do, would be great. Doesn't love a good highlight reel, you know? Right. Well, let's go for the 5x for now. 31 ones that break a brawl, or hunting.
Lagi mo yung ano yun. Kasi sa ginawa niya. Lagi ka lang din ba? Hindi. Tagok ko sa singko tayo. So,
The next round, there is, of course,
hindi. Na may promo code. Redeem mo ka ng hack na promo code ba?
shuffle your cards. It's like adding a little personal touch to the game. Essentially,